Hey guys, William Murphy here, and I hope you had a great Christmas. I certainly did. I've got some fantastic presents, including this bike stand from my wife, but some of the things that I bought maybe weren't so great. So, I bought this. Unfortunately, my daughter is too short to reach the floor. So we've been out in the Boxing Day sales, and we've managed to purchase this. So today's video, we're going to build the balance bike. The bike itself is a Indi balance bike. It's from Halfords. It's £24. Those of you who know Halfords know that they obviously sell car parts, they sell bike parts, they sell camping stuff. It's a bit of a sort of everything store for sort of anything that moves. They offered to build the bike, and I said no. So I bought the box of bits, and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to attempt to build a brand new bike from scratch. Okay, so the box is now open, and there's actually a hell of a lot less to put on than I thought there might be. So we've got handlebars, we've got a wheel, we've got bike frame. So let's unwrap the bike. The bike's wrapped in this cardboardy stuff, but actually inside it's got foam, which is really cool. There's no damage to the bike. Overkill, I know, but it's new, so I want to use it. So I'm going to unwrap the seat. Place that in there. I'm going to go for one of the lowest settings because she's very small. Take the caps off of the wheels. Take the suspension front post out. On the wheels, you see here, they've got these little locking tabs. Now they'll go into the holes on the forks there. Shouldn't really have to do very much to get these sort of fitted up. Just loosen the nuts off slightly, or all together as I have. Let's get a socket to do that with. You don't want to go too tight with these because you'll end up with the wheel not being able to turn because you clamp them on the bearings too much. Okay, that's that. Tightness of the back one is good. Okay, so back wheel's done, front wheel's done. I'm going to leave this nut here adjusted quite loose so we can adjust the seat correctly. Let's get the handlebars on. Okay, so in the packaging it includes this funky cover, which will go over here to protect that, to make it look all nice, I believe. You've got a book of how to use it, and then you give him a lovely multi-tool. Put them down. Just make sure that the steering wheel and the handlebars align, and clamp down that bolt. So that's tight, everything else is adjusted apart from the seat. Let's go check it out, see how she likes it. Oh, how's that? You like it? She's off.
Stay with her.
Right.
I think the seat's a bit low.
Get the seat adjusted. How's that? Is it back?
Come here, Tice.
Is that better?
No!
Really no.
Tyson, stop it.
How's that? Can you try it? What do you think? Is that better than the first one?
Please don't go down the slope.
Wow! Can you lift your feet up? I'll help you. Woo! What do you think?
She's smiling.
Great result? Yeah.
Clover, have a look. Good girl.
Do you like it?
Slow down on the way down the hill.
Right, put your bell on.
Okay.
Yeah. Finishing touches to any bike, eh?
Daddy!
Yeah? Clover? Clover? Look at this.
Got a bell on your bike. Do you want to test it?
Okay.
Okay.
Have another go then. You doing the bell?
It's a Peppa Pig one.
Okay, so the verdict is she absolutely loves this bike, and I'm so happy. The Christmas present we bought originally, we got it, it was faulty when we bought it, and I managed to fix it up. So that's going to be up for sale, and hopefully that's going to be great for some other child. That's it for now. Hope you had a great Christmas again, and all the best for the new year. I will see you guys later.